I wish I could die. What will I do with this life without education and hope? How I will fulfill my angel's dream? How I will give my angel a comfortable life without education? My mother is my angel. My mother worked her whole life like a slave from our childhood to continue our schooling. My father works in a local factory. With his tiny income it is always difficult to feed our four-member family. My mother did all kinds of work. She worked as a day laborer on other people's agriculture land, she worked as maid, but she never let us stop our learning. My whole life I dreamed and I prayed to God that when I will complete my education, I will do a job and I will take care of my parents. I will fulfill all my mother's wishes. I never saw her wearing a pleasant dress or eating something good. I never saw her taking a pause from non-stop work for us. Her whole life she was only anxious for our future. For the last 2 months, we have been begging to everyone for my admission fees for my HSC. But nobody came forward to help me. All my friends received admission in the college after completing the SSC. But I am the only unfortunate one who could not manage the admission fees. For the last 2 months the time my mother keeps telling me, "Ma, don't cry. If we don't have money, how we can continue the rest of your education?" How can I make her understand? Every moment I am not crying only for my education. I am crying for my dream, my wish that I have cherished since from my childhood. That I will give a comfortable, happy life to my mother after completing my education.
Sometimes life doesn't seem fair. Sometimes love is not enough. Would you give up if you will fail? Is this the end? Will you surrender to your faith? No, I cannot give up now. I will get up, I will run, I will work, I will fight.